We're not horsing around on the program this evening. But this piece of news coming out of Jamaica's racing mecca, Caymanas Park, that an unruly apprentice jockey was caught red-handed at the starting gates in a race he was about to ride in with an electrical device on his person. And right away, the Mavericks started to ask some questions about this long-time business of jockeys using battery in racing. Now, first of all, this is not a Jamaican thing. Horse get shocked and get shot all over the world. Now, the way this thing works is that the little device powered by a battery and strategically applied to the horse with the sweat and the electrical current, it shocked the horse and make him find a sudden burst of speed. And you see, because the gadget is so small, the jockey them hide it on them person and in them gear and produce it and use it in the cut and thrust of the race and nobody notice. Of course, it's chance the jockey them take, and when them get caught, them have to face the consequences. I don't know if this apprentice is guilty or if it's a mistake the stewards they make. But this is the horse racing business, and I can tell you that the horse racing business can be a shocking business. It can be a very shocking It can be a very shocking business, meaning that sometimes some shocking things happen in horse racing. Shocking things happen in horse racing.